Okay, guys, so this is actually day number 2, and we're going to the safari. We didn't got breakfast so far, we just ate something in our room. Okay, so we're going to the Taman Safari. In this hotel, it's actually like a group of nature stalls. Even there's the hotel, the deck where I go in the day 1. The hotel is called Pesona Alam Resort and Spa. So we're waiting for our car to go to the safari. This is going to be very fun. Okay guys, I don't know what to do now. It's kind of boring, I don't know. Guys, it's actually kind of cold. Very cold in Punchak. Oh come on, I just want to come into the car and it's just so cold out here. Okay, finally guys, our car over there. That is not the black one, the gray one, like over there. See that gray car? Yeah, just that. That's our car. Here we go. Sanya. Okay, we're in. Look at this, you guys. Wow. Nature awaits you. Okay, we're going to buy the whortle now, the carrot. Okay, so we bought bananas and carrots in the store. So, let's go to the zoo. Whoa! Okay guys, that was the sign. I guess you didn't really saw it clearly. But yeah, that was the sign. We're going to Taman Safari. Ayo, that's the welcome sign. We are going, oh my god, that's the welcome. Okay, we're going up. Whoa! Okay, so wait, there's a real panda. Okay, this is going to be so cool. Guys. Ayo, it's so cool. Wow. Okay, so we're going to the Taman Safari.
Yeah.
Look at that funny train. There's also a food truck. Oh wait, there's an elephant, guys, over there. See? Whoa. Okay, so we're coming into the Taman Safari. Whoa, we're going to the safari. Ayo. Whoa. Okay, so I guess we're coming in to the zoo. Okay. Oh, we're turning this way, I guess. Okay. This is cool, guys. I like it. There's a fake flamingo, guys, over here. Okay. Oh, are those real flamingos?
Those are real.
Okay.
Can you see?
That looks like a statue.
No, that's real.
Oh yeah, it's real. It's actually moving. Whoa.
It can step on one leg, you know.
Look at this.
It can stand on
Whoa.
one leg. Did you notice?
Okay, those were flamingo, guys. Let's see what are next. Okay, we got elephants, guys. We got elephants. Whoa. Let's see the those aren't bad.
This one.
Whoa. Oh, look at this. Look at these elephants.
They're drinking.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think they're drinking. Whoa, look at the elephants. It's so cute. Hello. Hello. Well, actually it smells bad though.
Yeah, it is. That's
But
what I like.
those are cute, yeah.
That's what I
Hello.
This is the daddy, I think, or the grandpa.
Look at
Somebody's
this.
feeding. That's
Guys, there are kangaroos over there, okay? So, a car is covering it. Yay. Oh, look at the kangaroos. Whoa. Hello. Hello.
Done?
Okay, we got a water over here. We're gonna feed the buffaloes. Whoa. Should I give it? Hey, eat this. Wow, that buffalo was so big. Hey, baby. Wow, feeding the buffaloes are so cute. Oh, guys, there are hippo snacks. Hey, yo. Hey, hippos. Whoa, look at that big dummy hippo. Whoa, look at this. So cute. Whoa!
Got a bunch
Look
of
at the
carrots.
camels over there.
Carrots.
Look at the camels. Look at the camels. La, 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 la. Okay, we got the carrots. Kangaroos again, or I don't know. Aww, I just feed it a carrot. Aww, that was cute. Aww, look at all they go. Oh my god. I think this is actually a goat, not a kangaroo. A goat. Yeah, it's a goat. Look at all the goats. Hello, bye. Cool. Aww. Hey. So cute. Give it, Angela. Give it, Angela. Give it a try. Give it a try. Give it, give it, give it, give it. Give it outside. Give it. Aww, that was cute. Okay, hello. Yeah, I just feed it. Aww. Oh no, never mind. Angela want to feed it. There's a bear. Whoa. Guys, there's a fly on our glass just over here.
I
See?
have two.
Wow, those are swans. There are swans over there. Whoa.
This is a swan.
What the hell are those animals doing over the road? Whoa. Some deers. Fallow deers. These are fallow deers. Okay, let me open my glass. There you go. Okay. Those are the fallow deers. Wow, guys, there are panthers up there. You can't really see, but there are panthers. We're going to stop the lake. What the? Why are we going to stop the lake? Look at this. Now our tires are going to be wet. Wow, we're actually stepping on the wet. Giraffe can come into our cars. Whoa. Giraffe feeding! Giraffe feeding! Beer cat, guys, over there, a beer cat. Okay, we're going to skip the owl because we just saw an owl.
Can you see?
Yep, there's an owl in the tree. Whoa, look at this! Look at this! These are orangutan. In Bahasa, orangutan. In English, orangutan. There's another lake! Oh, another. Whoa. Whoa, hippos. It's an otters. Asian otters. I know an otter. We're gonna feed zebras. Wow, we're gonna feed zebra and a goat. Oh my god. Oh, monkey, my favorite animals. Oh my god, they just run. Hello. We're gonna get bananas. Monkey. Oh my god, you're so cute, you're so cute. My favorite animal, so cute. Yay! Oh, they take a banana. So many monkeys. So many animals in here. Another zebra. So many monkeys. Look at this, guys. Anoa. I don't know what is in English, but yeah, it's called anoa. Guys, there's this that's just in front of our car. Bison.
Bison.
Wow, hey bison. Guys, comment down below yes or no if Adopt Me will add bison. Or did they even add bison already here? Guys, there are lions. The lion pathway is so scary. Lions can attack cars. Whoa, can you see those lions over there? Whoa, we're going to see tigers. Whoa.
Do you see that?
Those are lions over there. Whoa, over there. Wow, can you guys see there? Wow. Ayo, another one. Look at them. Guys, those are white tigers. Aw, cute. We're heading to the African village. These are the largest rhinos in the world. Stop, zebra! What is this? Okay, those are the cheetahs. What is this? These are the home. Okay, ostrich.
It's like a savannah.
Whoa.
Ostrich.
Another lake.
Wow.
Whoa. Whoa. Crocodiles. Tigers.
This is endangered animal.
It's actually Sumatran tiger, which are endangered. Whoa, this tiger has some serious.
They're breeding.
We bears. This is a magical gate, guys. It will open any soon. Whoa, it's open. Look at this impala. Hello, orangutan. Guys, tell yes or no if orcs will be in Adopt Me. Somebody's riding elephant there, guys. Somebody's riding the elephant, but we can feed it. Okay, I guess that's it. There are cable cars, guys. Okay, we just want pee. We're going to the restaurant. Whoa. Whoa, there are carnivals. There are carnivals in there. Whoa. Hey, yo, this is kind of cool. This is so cool. Okay, guys, time to eat.